Hello, friend. Today you will learn how to use the potty. When you feel like you need to go, come sit down. Plop. Sit calmly and take your time. Wait. All finished? Great job! Now it's time to clean up carefully. Swipe. When you're ready, press the handle. Swoosh! Now, let's wash your hands. Turn on the water. Shh. Wash your hands. Scrub. Rinse. Turn off the water. Click. Dry your hands. Pat. All done. You use the potty like a big kid. Thanks for watching Rachel's Routines. Visit our page for more cool videos. Bye-bye.